Tired of using hand sanitizers that cause dry, cracked skin? StellaLife Natural Moisturizing Hand Sanitizer kills over 99.99% of germs, including human coronavirus, while moisturizing and hydrating your hands. The 5 pure essential oils provides aromatherapy, leaving a subtle, pleasant scent on your hands that may relieve anxiety and stress. StellaLife Natural Moisturizing Hand Sanitizer contains powerful pure 80% ethanol alcohol and hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, for maximum antimicrobial efficacy to keep your hands clean. The plant-based, natural organic ingredients are great for sensitive skin and frequent use. Shake bottle well. Spray directly onto each hand. Rub hands together until dry. Apply as many times per day as needed. The natural StellaLife hand sanitizer kills germs, moisturizes, and hydrates your hands, and smells great. Natural, plant-based ingredients, moisturizing and hydrating. Great for sensitive skin. 80% ethanol alcohol and hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. Aloe vera and 5 pure essential oils. No methanol, dye, triclosan, parabens, phthalates. Aromatherapy with pleasant scent.